Hello and welcome to Coding Using Swift Playground. So we're just going to pick up from where we left off last week. So our next challenge is not learning any new commands, but just consolidating the commands that we've learned so far. Those commands were move forward, collect gem and toggle switch. So our challenge is teleport through the portal to collect a gem. For your first challenge, there's a new element in Byte's world. A portal teleports Byte from one place to another, with Byte facing the same direction going in and out. You'll need to use all the commands you've learned so far in the right order to toggle open the switch. Move through the portal and collect the gem. Don't worry if you don't get it right first time, this is your chance to experiment. So again, when I tap on enter code, at the bottom of my screen will appear all my commands that I've used so far. So I'm going to have a wee look just now, and as I can see, if I move forward 3, that should get me to the top of the stairs. So I'll just run my code. 1, 2, 3, right. So yes, that gets me to the top of the stairs. So now I need to turn left at that point. If I turn left, I should be facing down that other set of stairs, and I'm going to move forward 1, 2. I should be on top of that switch to toggle. So go back. So 1, 2, 3. Turn left. 1, 2. There I am on that switch. So I'm going to toggle that switch now. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto that portal. See the portal there in the middle that is kind of shining light up through it. So I'm going to move forward 1, and that should get me onto that portal. 1, 2, there we go. There we go, it's my switch toggled through the portal and appear through the other portal. And there I am on the side where the gem is. So I'm going to move forward 1, turn left, move forward 2. See how there's quite a lot of coding now, a lot of instructions there. So I'm going to run my code. Toggle the switch through the portal. And let's just double check I'm in the right place to collect that gem. Yep, I'm right in the right place. So I'm going to collect that gem, run my code one last time, and that should be all the instructions I need to complete this task. Okay, top of the stairs, turn. Okay, that's my switch toggled through the portal. Go across and collect the gem. Excellent. Great, you've solved your first challenge. Okay. So the next one is finding and fixing bugs. The goal is find the bugs and fix them. Okay, alright. So, when you write code, it's easy to make mistakes. A mistake that keeps your program from running correctly is called a bug, and finding and fixing bugs is called debugging. The code below contains one or more bugs, so to debug it, rearrange the commands in the right order to solve the puzzle. Run the code to see where the mistakes occur. So let's do that. So we've got to move forward, we've got to turn left. Oops. He's not in the right place there to collect that gem. And he's not in the right place to toggle the switch. Right. Identify the command that's in the wrong place, then press the command to select it. Okay. So I would say that move forward at the top, we need to move forward another. So I've identified that move forward is in the wrong position because I think that Byte should be moving forward too. So I've selected move forward, and I'm now just going to move it into the position where I feel it should go. So it should go, feel it should be stepping forward twice. I'm just going to run that code. There we go, that's him in the right position now. Moves forward, collects the gem, onto the switch and toggles it. Excellent, congratulations, you've found a bug in the code. All the right commands were written down, but they were in the wrong order. You debugged this code by rearranging the commands until you solved the puzzle. Excellent. So that's what you're being asked to do with the next couple of tasks. You're asked to, you've been given a set of coding, you have to find out where the mistakes are, and you have to make it right so that Bug switches the switches on and collects the gems. So this one, reorder the commands to debug the code. In this challenge, you'll practice your bug finding skills by finding and rearranging the commands that are out of order in the code below. Now, we note here, watch out, notice that one of the switches on the map starts out open. So you may notice up there at the top, you've already got one out of the two switches open. If Byte toggles that switch closed, it's a bug in your code. You need all the switches toggled open to complete the challenge. So if you have a wee look, if we run our code and we see what Byte's going to do. So he's going to move forward 1, 2, 3. He's on that toggle switch. Now he's just switched that off. Okay, you'll notice now you don't have one of your switches toggled. Okay, so we don't want Byte to toggle that switch off, but we do want him to go up to that other switch and toggle that off. We then also need him to go through that portal to collect the gem. So that's your task for today. I'd like you to complete this world for Byte, the bug squash practice. I want you to take a screenshot at the end when you've completed this task and send it to me. If you manage to get through some other tasks after this, that's fantastic. And if you take a screenshot of the final one that you've completed and then send that to me, that would be great. Thank you.